What are you doing?
Run! It's the mallet! Run, mommy, run! Magic! It's the malicious mallet, mommy, run! Run! Attack! 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 Oh, you killed it! How did you know its only weakness was poinsettias? How did you know? It died. Oh, thank you, mommy. You saved me. Oh, I was possessed by the magic mallet.
You were possessed.
Miss you, Ryan.